Okay, it's December, oh no, it's January 2nd, 2011, I'm seeing the concepts. This is the alligator that my mother drew. We did the dinosaur and the shark, and here's the last of it. And I recommend you buy this set because it's awesome. The tail moves as usual. Nothing new there. The mouth doesn't stay open, you push it with this little thing right here, and it'll open, but it doesn't stay open, like you let go. So isn't that awesome? So that's the crocodiles. You've seen them all. My mom's right now putting together some fire station stuff, so maybe I'll show you those videos. Look at that, man.